Okay guys, so welcome back to another video of today guys. So in this video I'm going to show you some skills I use when I'm improvising, some skills I mostly use. Okay, so many of you have been giving up the questions and the request boss, what kind of scale are you playing on, what kind of scale are you improvising on? So in this video I'm going to share with you some things I normally come up with that sounds better, sounds cool. Okay, very quickly, without wasting much of the time, you know that it's the first time you're coming across my video, do it to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this. Okay, and if you like the video, make sure you smash the like button. If you have any challenges, do it to drop it on the comment section. I'm going to reply it as soon as possible. Okay, and if you're seeking for a personal class, an online tutor, do it to chat me up on the number on the screen there. I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible. Okay, so let's dive into the video right away. Okay, yeah, so here we are. So the first thing you have to know is that we are playing the key of C. This is the key of C. Okay, so I want you to start learning something like this very quickly. This is your key of C root. Okay, so you have do, ti, do, re. So I want you to work on these intervals. Okay, these major scale intervals, stuff like this. Okay, so I want you to start working on interval like that. That is one of the things I like to use when I'm soloing. Okay, it's very simple. So you just have to start from your root note. This is a do, re, ti, do. Okay, do, re, ti, do, re, ti, do. Now this is va, so, mi, va. Okay, va, so, mi, va, so, mi, va, do. Now this will be ti, do, la, ti. Okay, ti, do, la, ti. Okay, so I likely use that stuff a lot when I'm improvising. Okay, so just you go down to your mi, va, re, mi on the third string. Mi, va, re, mi. Now it should be sol, la, va, sol, la, va, sol, do, re, ti, do. Just like do, re, ti, do, do, re, ti, do. Okay, then you come back again. You play it horizontal. Okay. Okay. So you just keep practicing that over and over and over and over. You get used to it. Okay, I like to use it mostly when I'm improvising. Okay, so the second one I want to sing this shape, the second scale or riffs or licks, as you said, I would sequence I would like you to start learning is something like this, adding the minor third. Okay, just like over the blues, but you add a minor third, add a major note also. I likely use this one when I'm maybe about going to my third chord, which is the Mi chord. So I likely use that particular one. Okay, so it's very simple. This is the key of C. So starting from the Sol, La, Do, Mo, Re. Okay, adding the flatted the more, okay, to spice it up, kind of a bit a bluesy sound. Okay. Okay. So La, Do, Mo, Re. You slide to the Re. Then, okay. Do, La, Sol. Do, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Mi. Do, Ti. Okay. Do, Ti, La, Ti. Do, Ti, La, Ti. Oh. So, Fa, Mi, Fa, Mi. That's the Mi chord. That's a kind of E minor chord. Okay. Very simple. So you're just gonna practice that, keep practicing that, and I think in my next video I'm going to show you guys how you can apply that in a chord progression to make it sounds better and make it sounds cool. Okay. All right. Just keep practicing that. Okay, wherever you don't understand, do well to hit on the comment section. I'm going to give you a reply as soon as possible. All right, thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video. Bye.